an Audio Sloth Station original. Penny and the Popcorn Problem. Penny Paws, with stripy tail, loved her popcorn without fail. Buttery, salty, big or small, she loved it best. She loved it all. One bright day, the town parade floats with popcorn. What a day! Penny gasped, her tummy twitched. She darted off, her plan was switched. She scooped, she munched, she nibbled fast. Every kernel gone at last. But then, oh no, a little hic! Another came and one more quick. She bounced around. Her hiccups echoed all through town. A balloon took flight, a hat went zoom. Popcorn crumbs danced in the room. The mayor smiled and tipped his hat. Too much popcorn? Fancy that. A little's fine, but here's the trick. Balance makes you feel less sick. Penny grinned, her tail gave sway. She learned her lesson that fine day. Now she munches, slow and steady, with snacks to share. She's always ready. Treats are great, but best you see when you enjoy them sensibly.